Sometimes the most surprising places are not the ones we hear often about, and the most beautiful are the ones that are less explored. Malnad, a place characterized by its lush green and hilly landscape along the Western Ghats. The second highest plunge fall in the country, Jog Falls, is a paradise to watch during the monsoons. Traveling to me is never about the destination. It's about the journey through time, the silence, the people, and their stories.
ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಇಂಥವ್ರು ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ನೆವಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗರಿ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿನ ಕುಣಿತಾವೆ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರೋ ಭಾರಿ ಚಂದ ನೆವಿಲು ಈ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕುಣಿತಾವೆ ಅದೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಹಾಂ 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 ಸಿಗೋದಲ್ಲ ಅದು
During their exile, the Pandavas traversed these forests. Bhima, in search of water for his mother Kunti, struck the ground with a mace, from which a spring gushed out. At this sacred spot, he built a shrine for the Lord Shiva, hence the name Bheemeshwara. The waterfall that flows beside the temple is said to have originated from the very spring Bhima summoned. Places like these help me find what we have lost as a planet. Whether God created the forest or God is the forest, I really cannot say.